Oh, okay, so I have been doing some work on the engine, or not so much work, but I filled the cylinder, the spark plug hole with the oil, all of them, 4. Then I lift the car and try to engage a gear, but how much I switch any gears, it's none of them will engage. I'm not sure what that is, but I'll have to look at that later, because even if I put the gear in, nothing happens with the tire, rear tire. But what I did see right now is when I twist this little, it's the alternator, I don't know, but then I can see in that hole that the engine is actually not stuck, because I thought it was so. I'm not sure if I can do this, but maybe I break something or not. I try not to. Now, if I put it's moving. This car has been sitting for 18 years or more. I have only put some diesel in a couple of weeks ago. I poured diesel down the spark plug holes, and then today I put diesel and engine oil down here, and it wasn't seized at all. I thought so, but that's good. But now I did connect the battery in front there, and nothing happened. But I haven't looked at the fuses. Maybe they all blown, I don't know, but that's good. The engine is it's going round, but I have no idea if it will start. That will be a later problem, but so far so good. But, there's a lot to do inside here before I'm done. But if I just get this one started and running, I will put more time and effort in this car, because this, as I said in a previous video, was bought as a spare car. But when I looked at it, it looks like it doesn't look good, but when you look underneath it, it's actually really good. Way better than the car I used this. I bought this for. This is the Doka. This is my first T3. It's rusted like hell. The more I cut, the more rust I see. Been cutting here a little. This rocker beam, I don't know what it's called. It's not very good, but I'm not sure what to do with this. I guess this will take really a lot of time to get through in the Swedish Bilprovningen to get it road legal. But it's a cool car. But I bought these to get a camper, and this car is, it's like it's built for being a camper, of course. But maybe I will look at this. This car was this engine was actually switched not long before it was the car was put away. I guess it was around I don't know, I forgot the date, but just I guess the same year as it been sitting since the year before it they changed the engine. But the guy who had this car died, and his daughter didn't know anything about it, so I'm not sure why he put it away. Maybe the new engine failed in somehow or something else. That's up to me to find out now. This